Hey everybody! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the high CPU usage in your Google Chrome so that it runs faster and smoother. So let's just get started with the video. You can start by opening up the Chrome itself. And once you open it up, you can go to the task manager of Chrome. You can press Shift plus ESC for that. And once you do so on your keyboard, that will open up your Chrome's task manager. Now you can look out for the tab or the extensions. You can look out for this option right here, tabs and extensions using a lot of CPU. And once you find it up here, if you think the one that is using more, you can just go ahead and end the task for that. You can select it and select the option of end task right here, or you can right click on it and also select the option of end task from here and do so. Also disable any kind of unnecessary extensions. You can look out for the three dot in the top and click on it. And once you click on it, you can go to the extensions option and select the option of manage extensions. After you do so, you can just go over and turn off or remove any kind of extensions that do not use. If you want to turn it off, you can look out for this toggle option and turn it off. Or if you want to remove it, you can select this option of remove and confirm it up. And once you remove it, that will basically remove the extension from your Chrome. You can follow the same process for any other unnecessary extension available in your Google Chrome, because too many extensions can cause lag and high CPU usage. Also start clearing your browsing data. For that, from here, look out for the three dot and click on it and select the option of settings. After you select settings, you can go to the privacy and security option and look out for this option called delete browsing data and confirm it up. Make sure this option right here called cookies and other site data and cached image and files are checked, and click this option called delete data, and that should remove, and that will help Chrome start clean and load faster. And you can also reset Chrome settings, so go to settings for that, and from there go to the option of resetting settings here, and you can restore your settings to their original defaults and confirm by clicking reset settings, and that is it. So these are some of the solutions you can follow up, and you can fix your Google Chrome's high CPU usage in just a few minutes. So if this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.